I'm going to make some drawer handles. They needed to be routed in pairs so that both sides of the cut would be supported by the router table, and because the stock I had wasn't wide enough, I improvised. This is the router template for the edges. And just like that, my drawers have handles. took about 3 or 4 days to apply 6 coats of hand-rubbed polyurethane finish. And then it looked like this. I just used popsicle sticks as spacers for the drawer fronts. Then I used hot glue to hold the drawer fronts in place temporarily until I could drill the pilot holes for the screws. With the drawers closed, the drawer fronts sat in a little too deep. They just needed a small adjustment to move the drawers out so they were flush with the rest of the cabinet. Fortunately, these drawer slides have elongated screw holes, which make them easy to adjust. See you later. Hang on a second. Remember those cardboard boxes we had been living with as temporary nightstands for over a year? Well, I've got a little unfinished business to take care of. Hey everybody, I'm Blake Weber and welcome back to the Weber Woodshop. I can't tell you how grateful I am to have you along for the journey, and I am super stoked to have my first full-size furniture project done on YouTube, and I got those nightstands out of my shop and into my bedroom. If you like what I'm doing and you want to encourage me to make more of these videos, the easiest way to do that is by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. If this is the first one of my videos that you've seen, I would highly recommend going back to the beginning of the nightstand series and watching that 7-part series from the beginning. If I can figure out how to make one of these link box thingies work, I'm gonna put one right here for you, but I'll also put a link in the description below. I gotta give a huge shout out to my 3 Patreon members. You guys are awesome, and I hope to see that grow because every dollar that comes in through Patreon or the ads that run before these videos are gonna benefit you directly by going back into the production value of this channel. So that money is gonna go towards photography equipment, lumber, materials, and tools so that I can keep making these videos that you enjoy. I'm gonna start a new tradition on my channel right now where whenever I finish a large project build, the next video that I put out will be a Q&A video where I answer questions about that project. So I'm gonna be going back through the comment sections in all the previous videos in the nightstand series, as well as this video, and I'm gonna choose some of those questions to answer in the next Q&A video. So make sure you leave any questions that you have in the comment sections below. Thank you again so much everybody for joining me along the way. I hope you've had as much fun as I have. My whole goal is to entertain, inspire, and grow along with you because together, the craft will never die. See you later.